Hey guys, I thought I would just do a quick video on what I get when I go to the orthodontist, so freebies when I come out, seeing as I'm a private patient, and I also would like to show you what I use to clean my braces. So starting with these is what you get from the orthodontist. So these are the elastics that I use. This is also a mouthwash which you get. And this is the toothbrush. You can see it's got this bit for like the fine bits and getting under braces, and then this, and that's also got like a little groove in the middle so it goes around the braces, which is handy, and a mirror which I actually don't use. And then they all come in something like this when you first get it. And then extras which I bought include one of these, which I don't actually use too much. This is like a little mirror. I don't know what that end is for, but I don't use it. This is really handy for hooking the elastics if you bite your nails like I do. Yeah, these are really handy for, going under gums or the elastics and going around the bottoms of the tooth. This is a tongue cleaner, which I used to use quite a lot, but not so much now. And then these are like the interdental brushes. So this is a really fine one, and these are what I'm currently using now. They're a bit thicker, and I find they go under the braces and clean around the tooth a lot better than the thinner one. And that's about it really. Because I have braces, I don't really use floss. If I do use floss, it's them ones where they're like a little Y shape, and then I just push them through at an angle because you can't get them past the wire. And then using all this, the braces stay pretty clean. And I'm always complimented every time I go to the orthodontist that they're very clean. So yeah.